This is a Cinema Beats production.
It's like you can't tell the truth. All the things that are burning at your mouth are lies. Man, I can't even choose one. You like bashing a motherfucking gun. Man, it's never one after another, never gonna stop. Man, you can't reach to the top no more. You gotta open up your eyes, tell the truth one more time. You already know, baby, you just can't deny. I'ma do everything that I can. You already know I'm a faithful man, but I understand the shit that you've been going through. Man, baby, I was right there with you, but you gotta understand. And in my position, yeah, I can't understand why you lying and why you crying. And then I'm right here, right next to you. Man, who do you love? This time it didn't work out like I supposed to, but I understand your lies, you wanna keep them like secrets and sprinkle feed your picture. What you keep the treasure box and let you know you got an empty room, ain't no one in your spot. You already know I'm gone, I'm chopping out with my Chevy 67 Classic. You already know I'm at it, I got my paper stacking, I got my habit happening, I got the cheap and bagging. You already know I'm packing, I'm not ready to go, because no mas, no more lies, I ain't trying to hear it no more. I'm a truthful kind of guy, in a faithful kind of way, but you don't understand, and I can't explain, so I gotta let you go. I'm out the door.
This is a Cinema Beats production. Tomorrow's production available on today's market. Upgrade your sounds today and start making hits.